Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about what is phishing, types of phishing, how to avoid phishing. Phishing is a form of cyber attack, in which attackers attempt to trick individuals into divulging sensitive information such as passwords, usernames, credit card details, or other personal information. These attacks often take the form of fraudulent emails, messages, or websites that appear to be from legitimate sources. There are several types of phishing attacks, each with its own characteristics and methods. Email phishing. This is the most common type of phishing attack, where attackers send deceptive emails to individuals posing as legitimate entities, such as banks, social media platforms, or government agencies. These emails typically contain urgent requests for personal information or prompt recipients to click on malicious links or download attachments. Spear phishing. Spear phishing is a targeted form of phishing attack in which attackers customize their messages to target specific individuals or organizations. Attackers often gather information about their targets from social media, online profiles, or previous data breaches to make their phishing emails more convincing. Clone phishing. Clone phishing involves creating a replica of a legitimate email or website and sending it to recipients after making slight modifications. Attackers typically copy an authentic email or web page, replace legitimate links or attachments with malicious ones, and then resend it to victims, tricking them into providing sensitive information. Whaling. Whaling, also known as CEO fraud, targets high-profile individuals or executives within organizations. Attackers impersonate senior executives or company leaders in fraudulent emails to trick employees into making financial transactions or disclosing sensitive information. Pharming. Pharming involves redirecting users from legitimate websites to malicious websites without their knowledge or consent. Attackers exploit vulnerabilities in DNS servers or manipulate domain name resolution to redirect users to fraudulent websites designed to steal their credentials or sensitive information. To avoid falling victim to phishing attacks, individuals and organizations can take the following preventive measures. Be cautious of unsolicited communications. Exercise caution when receiving unsolicited emails, messages, or phone calls, especially if they request sensitive information or prompt immediate action. Verify sender identities. Verify the sender's identity and email address before responding to emails or clicking on links. Look for signs of phishing, such as spelling errors, suspicious email domains, or generic greetings. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA. Enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of security to online accounts. MFA requires users to provide additional verification, such as a code sent to their mobile device, in addition to a password. Educate and train employees. Educate employees about the risks of phishing attacks and provide training on how to recognize and report suspicious emails or messages. Encourage employees to report any phishing attempts to IT or security personnel. Keep software updated. Keep operating systems, web browsers, and security software up to date with the latest patches and security updates to protect against known vulnerabilities exploited by phishing attacks. Use email filtering and security tools. Implement email filtering and security solutions that can automatically detect and block phishing attempts. These tools analyze incoming emails for signs of phishing and malicious content, providing an additional layer of defense. Verify requests for sensitive information. Before providing sensitive information or making financial transactions online, verify the legitimacy of requests through trusted channels, such as phone calls or in-person confirmation. Report suspected phishing attempts. Report suspected phishing emails, messages, or websites to the appropriate authorities, such as your email provider, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, or the Anti-Phishing Working Group, APWG, to help prevent others from falling victim to similar attacks. By following these best practices and remaining vigilant, individuals and organizations can reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing attacks and protect their sensitive information from unauthorized access or misuse. Thank you.